So to install mbeddr, the first thing you do is you go to jetbrains.com/MPS to download MPS. You can go to the download page and then you can get MPS for your particular platform. I use the Mac here, of course, because this is a Mac. You can get a Windows installer, which you just execute as any installer. You can get a zip file for the Mac. You can get a zip file or tar.gz file for Linux, and you can get a generic distribution that works essentially for all platforms. It's essentially just a zip file. In each case, you need Java running on your machine, and for the time being, it's Java 6. Java 7 does not work because of incompatibilities between the IntelliJ platform and Java 7. So I'm going to download the Mac OS X version, and of course I already did that. So I have the MPS version lying around here. I can double click to unzip it, and this gives me the MPS installation. It is a good idea to rename the folder so that it does not have any spaces. We need to specify the path for this thing in several places, in several build files if you want to do command line stuff. And having spaces in paths that you use from the command line is just annoying, so let's not do this. You also might want to go into the package contents and look in the bin folder into the, where is it? VM options file. There is also, by the way, the same thing on Windows. And we can just edit this file. And as you can see here, it specifies various JVM options. And if you're familiar with Java details, you'll notice that 256 max perm size is a little bit on the low side. So maybe making that whatever 512 or 760, what is it? 762 is a good idea. So let's just save that. Okay, so this essentially installs MPS. Let's see if it works. I'm going to either double click on the icon or run it from the command line. Let's try to run it. And of course, the Mac thinks it knows that it has to keep me from doing stupid stuff. MPS starts up, and after a while, you see I'm filling time here. After a while, MPS should come up and it will greet you with the welcome screen. And I don't know what to say, right? So okay, so this is what we expected, and in the next video I'll explain how to run mbeddr.